Why the choosing to be a slave to the algorithm? I hear so many business owners talk about the Facebook, Google algorithms change, it's too expensive, it doesn't work for my business anymore. All you're revealing is that you're not that great at marketing, you're following every guru's new tactic or new strategy that's coming out. It might work, it might not work. I don't care. Really, neither should you. Truth is, marketing and sales is all the same. You don't need any new tactic or strategy. It's all the same. Same just packaged up differently, because at the end of the day, you're selling to humans. And as long as there's other human beings buying your products, there's only one thing that you need to be successful with your marketing, and that's understanding why, how, and what drives people to buy. Then nail it specifically for your target audience. They'll literally show you how to sell to them, and they'll tell you what they want to buy. All you have to do is learn to listen. Now, when you combine those insights with AI to help you create marketing material from your ads, copy, landing pages, you can create high converting marketing campaigns without forking out money to an agency or freelancers that might or might not be good, or wasting your money on unprofitable ads. You can do this virtually very, very easily, and I'll show you how to do it. Just head over to my Instagram, follow me, and you can watch some of my reels. I'm going to be posting loads of content about this, and there's a link attached to my YouTube channel as well, where I'll be posting more content on this topic.